Hello friends, welcome to my channel Archie Chaudhary. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing fine and staying warm indoors and taking good care of your health. And friends, today's topic is about carpal tunnel. Many people have asked me what are the home remedies if you know some. So I know a lot actually, so I can share some of here and especially people with less calcium, less iron, less potassium, less magnesium in their body, in their levels of all this can be having all these symptoms, and they are very bothersome because people have to sit down, squat on the floor if they have to sit for yoga or some prayers or whatever. So if all this is going on, it becomes hard for the legs and toes to function well. So it is just the tingling, and it looks like somebody is pricking their body with needles and pins. So all those are the symptoms. So but there are so many yoga things you can do, so many stretches you can do, so many foods you can eat. For non-vegetarian people, they can get all this good things in meat and red meat and chicken and eggs and poultry. So whoever eats fish and salmon and all, they don't have much problems of this sort. And vegetarian people can take nuts, fruits, veggies, and make their levels go up, and they can take all this nutrients from their food actually. So sometimes it becomes hard for some person to just get up itself. So for that they have to just stretch their legs forward, and they have to bend their body and touch their toes if they can. That is the first exercise which can be useful for their legs and all, so that the blood flow will go well. And sometimes people can even take the support of the wall and stand on their head, and they have to stand up on their head and put their legs on the top, and that also help because the whole body's blood flow goes from their head to the toe. So now that I'm only sitting over here, so my blood is only going from top to bottom, but when you put your heads down towards the wall, the head will be down and your toes will be up. So that's a very good stretch exercise. Then you can hold your feet and press the power points, press every toe, press your toe and all the fingers of your leg, toe nails and all. You can just hold it, toe fingers. And when you have pain in your fingers, you have to just keep opening and closing, opening, closing, opening, closing. And you can even do some pat exercise, like you can here what I had done. This is called knuckle, pressing your knuckles and taking out all the air which is there inside your fingers. That releases all its pressure, and all the hand fingers and all become so well, and you can stretch them also. And people in India do namaste a lot. That helps actually. So I'm going to show you an exercise which is inverted. Instead of doing namaste, do the ulta one and just stretch your fingers, interlock them and pull it. Just pull it. Ouch. It pains a little, but it is really very effective. So you're pulling the fingers actually. So you can do this and interlock your fingers and again stretch your fingers, and it should poke. My nails are poking my fingers, so you'll know that one exercise is happening right there itself. So this is one thing, and this is another thing. And just rotating your wrists, so this is another thing. And then the next exercise is just doing your hands up and down, up and down. Just hold it here, or you can keep this hand. You can hold it here, just do upside down like this. So for both the hands. So this will also help you a lot. And you can stretch. You can just stretch like this. And then without folding, just bring it back. Just do like this. So, and you can do it in either direction. So this will also give you a good boost and exercise. It's very healthy to do this. And early morning when you're in the bed, you can just stretch it out also. That also helps, and you can just do this exercise while standing. This will also help. And doing all this, and especially your fingers, just keep doing this. If you have pain in every finger, just bend them slightly, back side, front side, back side, front side. So the same thing with this. So just do for all the fingers actually. So it's very easy, just twisting them up and down, up and down. See, I've showed you in all the fingers. So just doing this. So yeah, I've showed you. Then just interlocking them, just try to pull. See, can you see how it is just pulling my skin because I'm trying to do. And this I've already told you. This one you can again do like this. And then turn it back like this and swing it again. So this also helps, and doing as often as possible, this is the best one. And if you have pain in every finger, just press this point 10 or 20 times. All your pain will finish and carpal tunnel problems go away. And now coming to the diet part, I'll show you one home remedy. Just give me a second. So here I've taken half a glass of warm water. This is warm water and it is from the copper vessel. I've heated it to 1 minute in the microwave. And this is turmeric. So I just take a bit of a pinch of turmeric, like not much, just two-third of a spoon. I hope you all can see so much. See so much, not much. Just put it in this water. Just stir it well and just drink this water every morning. Warm water. And if you don't like the taste of turmeric and warm water, you can add some honey also, which will help you in reducing the inflammation. And I, being an Indian, I put so much of turmeric in everything, so it really helps. And you can add some honey, you can add some sugar if you want, if you are giving it to small kids, that also helps. So all these are nice home remedies, these exercises, and especially being on your head and keeping your legs up. That's the best for carpal tunnel people, and all the pain just tingling and everything just goes off. I think I fumbled, but excuse me for that. I just talk when I feel, and it just comes out. So I don't learn a script or recite a script and come. So I hope you like this home remedies, and hope it helps everyone who is suffering from it. Okay friends, if you have liked it, like it, share it and subscribe. And if you have any comments, let me know. Bye. Love you all.